Hello everyone and welcome. Today I want to show you some useful PowerPoint tips and tricks. Let's go. For tip number 1, we are going to look at Morph and Enhanced Morph transition. Let's add a simple shape. For example, a circle. Alright. Now duplicate the slide. Alright. And add a morph transition. Let's make it more bigger. And let's see how is the transition. And look how smooth is it. Now let's put here a rectangle. Alright. If you put the morph transition here, and you can see it's not as smooth as the circle. To make it same like the circles, you need to put them the same name. For that, select rectangle, go on home, select and selection pane. And here is the name of the rectangle. Delete it and you need to put exclamation point and let's say morph. And you need to put the same name in the circle. Exclamation mark and morph. Alright, now PowerPoint knows how to do the transition. Let's see. Look how smooth is it. Second tip is how to do perfect shapes and lines. Let's insert a circle. And if you press shift, look, is perfect. Insert another circle. And now I'm not pressing shift. Look, I can make it in any direction I want. I press shift and now it's perfect. And let's insert a line. Press shift. And look, it goes only on 45 and 90 and 180. It doesn't allow me to move it up and down, only on that values. You can see here. Third tip is how to add a countdown timer. Click on insert and get add-ins. And here type timer. And let's select break time. And look, we have a nice countdown timer. It's by default set to 10 minutes. And you can put a background, let's say a sandwich. How cool is that? And you can start. Sandwich break. Fourth tip is how to record your screen using PowerPoint. Go on insert and right there screen recording. He dropped me on the desktop and now I need to select the area I want to record. I select the entire screen. And now press record. Alright, now hover the mouse up there and press stop. And now you can see the screen recording. Fifth tip is how to merge shapes. Let's add some shapes. Let's add a circle, a perfect circle. and another shape, a rectangle. Right there. And now we want to merge them. How to do that? Select both using Ctrl. Go to Shape Format and Merge Shapes. Here we have some options: Union, Combine, Fragment, Intersect, and Subtract. Let's go to Fragment. And now if you see, we have 3 different pieces. Sixth step is how to access stock image. Here in PowerPoint we have some images at high resolution, and let's learn how to find them. Go to Insert, Pictures, and Stock Images. And you can choose from a large list of images. Let's take that cat. And look the high resolution. Alright, 7th tip is how to remove background. To do that, press on Image on Picture Format and then Remove Background. If you are not satisfied of how he removed the background, and here we have some options. That's a highlighter. Let's leave it there and keep changes. And now look, he doesn't have a background. Now let's learn how to align objects. Let's insert some shapes. Alright, and after go to Shape Format and Align, and have some options. Let's align top, and look, are aligned. 9th tip is how to copy objects with the Control. Now let's select them all. Right, press Control, press the object and drag it here, and now are duplicated. Alright, that was the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.